Supporters of Kilmar Abrego Garcia gathered outside and inside federal court in Greenbelt. The judge wants Justice Department lawyers to explain why they can't divulge information about the status of Abrego Garcia, what diplomatic steps are being taken for his return after erroneously being deported to El Salvador. What is the nature of the deal between the White House and the Salvadorian government to house deported immigrants? And what plans does the government have for him once he returns? The Justice Department says they've answered those questions but can't reveal anything more, citing the State Secrets Act and executive privilege. Abrego Garcia lives in Congressman Glenn Ivey's district.
We know the Supreme Court told him to do it. This court's laying an evidentiary foundation, probably for contempt.
In a contentious back and forth, Judge Paula Zenas warned DOJ lawyers of their willful refusal to answer the questions is an exercise in utter frustration. She scolded, "What we have from the depositions are a bunch of idle no's." The judge demanded, where in the documents does it explain why releasing the information would be a reasonable danger to foreign affairs? This "take my word for it" is not enough. You need to show your work. The affidavit doesn't cut it.
I mean, the bottom line is we have to continue the efforts to force the Trump administration to comply with the law.
Trump administration attorney Jonathan David Gwynn told the judge some of the material they would like to discuss in her office is sensitive and some is classified, saying there's a lot more meat on the bone than you're giving this declaration credit for. Judge Zenas read a direct quote from the Department of Homeland Security, saying Garcia will not return to our country under the Trump administration. Judge Zenas says that sounds like a direct admission that the government will take no steps to bring Abrego Garcia back to the U.S., and that's about as clear as it can get.
It's the Supreme Court that told them they need to facilitate Kilmar's return. Donald Trump has acknowledged in interviews that he hasn't done that. He hasn't taken any steps to bring him back.